Hello and welcome to my channel. Be sure and hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell so you can be notified when I put out new videos just like this every week. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be working with this Sephora palette. It's got all sorts of different colors in it. Blush, lip gloss, and eyeshadows. I'm going to be focusing on the eyeshadows today. The thing I like about it too is it comes with this removable palette that you can pop any one of these out and stick in and just take one of them with you if you're traveling. So it's kind of neat. To begin, don't forget to, I've already done it, but put primer and setting powder on your lids so that you have, the eyeshadow has something to grab onto. To get started, I'm going to come in and get a little bit of this pink and mix it with a little bit of this brown. And we're going to use this above the crease. I'm going to be going in it back and forth, windshield wiper motions, getting it nice and blended. And it helps if you hold it more towards the end. It helps you have, well, it just helps it blend better. You have a little less control, but that's actually better because then you're not pushing as hard and it look a lot cleaner. Okay, I'm going to come in with this little tiny brush and get this brown here, a little bit of shimmer in it, and go right in this corner here and kind of try to sweep it down at an angle. And then I'll be coming in with this kind of bronzy color here. So we get over, blending it in with that other color. And then I've got this powder, loose powder shadow that it comes with an applicator. Just want to tap it off. But to start, I'm going to get just a little bit of concealer, just to give it something to hold on to so it's not falling out all over my face. And it'll make it last longer too. And we're going to come in with that powder. That concealer will help brighten it up as well. And of course, if you don't have a loose powder, you can just come in with any light shimmery eyeshadow on that inner corner, and that would work just as well. And I'm going to come above the brow bone with this tan and just highlight right there. And then I want to get a little bit of this white. There's a little bit of shimmery white too. I'm going to stick right here in the corner and kind of sweep it down a little bit underneath. And then come back and get this, or this matte brown, and put it right under this lash line on the bottom. Okay, I'm going to finish up with the other eye, and this is the final look. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time.